Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. I'm pretty sure most of you know this plant. This is blue butterfly pea plant. Many people also know it as Aparajita. This plant is known as the lucky plant. Also, the flowers of this plant has lots of benefits in them. We have lots of blue butterfly pea plant in our garden, and one plant gives flowering for 2 to 3 years. This time also, my mom prepared the plant for their flowering, but because of the heat wave, no plant was able to survive. So now, as you all know, we have a vegetable bed. So there, my mom had planted the seeds of this plant and some other plants. After that, my mom noticed that the plants were big enough to be repotted in the rainy season. That's why she's repotting it now. Here, as you can see, all of our blue butterfly pea plant are dead. So here, my mom is repotting the plants in these 4 pots. If you did not know, we had double-petaled butterfly pea plant and single-petaled butterfly pea plant. But the problem arrives here because we do not know if the plants have any single-petaled butterfly pea plant or double-petaled butterfly pea plant in them or not. The soil were already prepared. That's why my mom is not preparing a new soil for these plants anymore. This soil is mixed with garden soil and kitchen waste compost. The day when my mom was repotting the plants, there was a heavy rain. That's why my mom somehow was able to repot this plant and then came down. And the next day, my mom first pruned the plants. Even though we know that the plant has stress because we just repotted it, still we have to prune it because it helps in lateral branching. Also, not only that, but it also helps in getting the flowers more faster. That's why my mom always prunes the plant after repotting. Also, my mom chose a place where the plant could easily receive 6 to 10 hours of bright direct sunlight. Also, as it's rainy season, make sure to water your plant after thinking twice. Only give the water to the plant when the topsoil is dry. Also, in this time, make sure to make the drainage holes in your pots, or else your plant will die due to root rot. Now, many people have a question if this butterfly pea plant is poisonous or not. This plant is actually not poisonous at all. And if you wish to, you can also consume its flower. If you want to know how you can make a drink for yourself with its flower, then make sure to follow our channel. We have a playlist named Herbal Tea. There you will find this herbal tea and many other as well. Also, if you want to know more about this plant itself, then make sure to follow the playlist Blue Butterfly Pea. So if you have any kind of plant that got destroyed during this heat wave, then make sure to plant those plants in this rainy season because this is the best time. But that's all for today. I hope we'll get beautiful flowerings from this plant as well like before. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.